Welcome to the unseen assembly. Today, we build the ultimate power adder, the High-Performance Turbocharger. Two halves, one goal: more air, more power. At the core is the CHRA. We slide the high-strength shaft through the center, connecting the exhaust turbine to the intake compressor. It's a delicate balance capable of spinning at over 100,000 RPM. At these speeds, even a milligram of imbalance is a disaster. We precision balance the assembly until it's perfectly smooth, ensuring it survives the extreme heat of the exhaust. Power is nothing without control. We install the wastegate. This is the safety valve, bleeding off excess pressure to prevent the engine from pushing too hard. Finally, we merge the housings. We connect the oil lines that will keep the bearings floating on a film of fluid. The Snail is complete and ready for the track. The unseen assembly is complete. Instant boost, infinite adrenaline. Like and subscribe for more mechanical builds.